It'll probably pop up any second.
Arthur Reed, Super Saver.
Let me just see if I'm on NJTV or not. I think I am, I'm pretty sure. Probably gonna come on right now.
New Dark Bunny action figure I don't have. His sidekick Carrot Kid.
Okay, it's probably gonna come on right now or so. So I'm gonna stop the video really quick and I'm gonna make a part 2. You know what? It's probably gonna come up right now. So oh, here it is. Here it is.
Been serving this turnip thing.
Here it is. Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, eastern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 3:15 p.m. At 2:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Chester, Oregon, 11 miles west of Gloucester City, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Other thunderstorms are developing over the area. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Camden, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Evesham, Mount Laurel, Chester, Willingboro, Deptford, Voorhees, Medford, West Deptford, Glassboro, Lindenwold, Lumberton, Belmore, Young, Woodbury, Burlington, and Mount Holly. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and the following counties in New Jersey, Burlington, Camden, and Gloucester.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next alert that might come.